Alright guys, we're going to go live. 9:22. Copy the names. $11 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Final round. Copy that. I'm going to quick grab this. That didn't work. Try that again. Copy that. Copy the names again. Paste that in there. Alright, so White Sox to Enrique. Reds to DTR, Indians DTR, Rockies William, Tigers Noel, Houston John, Kansas City Royals for Noel, Brewers for DTR, Mets for DTR, Oakland for Kathy, Pittsburgh for Kathy, Padres for Jason, John Stevens has the Giants, Tampa Bay Rays for DTR, and Blue Jays for me. Copy that. Put that in there, and I will get the video up. Thanks, guys.